we introduced the wire electrical discharge machine of FANUC ROBOCUT. The ROBOCUT Alpha CIC series includes the small Alpha C400 IC, the medium Alpha C600 IC, and the large Alpha C800 IC, providing a wide range of machining needs from general-purpose parts to high-precision mold dies. The Alpha CIC series realized the high-precision circular and pitch machining by enhancing the machine rigidity to suppress distortion in various parts of machine. For example, when machining a circular shape with a diameter 50 mm, a roundness of 0.90 micron was achieved, and when machining a 250 mm pitch, the pitch accuracy of ±1 micron was realized. These improved performance of machining helps the high-precision press mold. Further, in response to the needs of the manufacturing site, the ROBOCUT achieves the high-precision machining with the nozzle open condition, where the nozzle cannot be set closer to the workpiece. In manufacturing sites, to shorten the setup time, the clearance between the nozzle and the workpiece is not strictly adjusted, or the shape of workpiece or jig may prevent the nozzle from approaching the workpiece. In such a nozzle open condition, generally the machining accuracy can be deteriorated. To solve this issue, ROBOCUT has optimal EDM technologies for the nozzle open condition as standard by improving the discharge control iPulse 3. As a result, even with the clearance between the nozzle and the workpiece sit as shown in the figure, ROBOCUT achieved shape accuracy of ±3 micron for 3 paths and ±2 micron for 5 paths, even for complex shapes as shown. In addition, the improvements of discharge control iPulse 3 reduced the line mark arisen at the approach section, which is known as an issue of wire EDM in machining examples shown in the figure. The line mark at approach section caused by machining twice there could be minimized to the level of surface roughness, achieving a high-quality finish in the approach section. As a function supporting the high-precision machining such as injection mold dies, ROBOCUT has a taper angle adjustment function. Using a dedicated adjustment block, the taper angle in 4 directions can be adjusted with simple screen operation. This function shortens the adjustment time for taper angle and achieves the high-precision taper machining. The automatic wire feeding system AWF3 strongly supports the unmanned operation of ROBOCUT. Its simplified structure is superior to the maintainability, also have both higher success rate of wire threading and high reliability. The AWF3 has various functions such as the submerged AWF, the AWR, and the taper AWR. Our unique air retry technology can handle the difficult wire threading, such as small diameter holes, by applying vibrations to the tip of the wire. The automatic wire feeding system AWF3 will improve the operating rate of the machine. The ROBOCUT Link I is the production and quality information management tool for ROBOCUT. It allows to monitor the operating status of the machines from the laptop and transfer NC programs to the machines. The power consumption monitor can display the total power consumption of connected ROBOCUTs, as well as the power consumption and cost over a period, achieving visualization of power consumption. It monitors the machine status in real time, contributing to improve operating rates. ROBOCUT Cam I is a dedicated cam system for ROBOCUT. It can output standard machining conditions, command of automatic wire feeding and work thickness setting for ROBOCUT, and it can handle the complex machining shapes such as involute gears and different upper and lower shapes. The dedicated programs for ROBOCUT can be easily created with intuitive operations. Finally, we explain the ROBOCUT Robot Package. The ROBOCUT Robot Package includes a robot interface, robot stand, work stalker, air blow unit, scheduler and more, making it an easy-to-implement system even for customers considering automation for the first time. By using the 2D code on the work holder, it is possible to obtain information for each workpiece, making it suitable for high-mix, low-volume production. ROBOCUT will continue to support our customers' manufacturing sites and meet their needs with high performance of machining.